Today's lesson is about meshing as it plays a leader role in results accuracy. Open up the file that we have created in the last lesson. Turn on the sections and select one slab and select similar by thickness. Then from calculations change it to shell and calculate. You can hide nodes from the display and nodes, then hide nodes. We'll select one slab and open it in a new window, then change the view to top. And as we have discussed in the last lesson, we can show the results from here and panel cuts. Then from detailed we want moments, and definition we want moments to be in parallel to YZ plane at a point. We choose this point, for example. And from diagrams we choose text, field and normal, then apply. Change the view, and this is the shape of the diagram. Keep in mind the variation in the shape of the diagram when we refine the mesh. So go again to top view and then go to options for mesh, and from here you can increase the number of squares, that means mesh refinement, or decrease them. For this time we want it to be refined more, so choose this one, and this is the type of refinement. We want it triple. That's good. And we have a list here. We can choose whether these things only or delete them, and we want all of these squares here. Then apply. After that the database will be changed, then we have to calculate again. Notice the difference between this slab and other slabs. Then select it again, start it in a new window, and go again to results, panel cuts, and from detail we want moments. From definition we want this point, and from diagrams, text, field, normal, then apply. As it's shown here, the shape of the diagram has been changed a lot and smoothed out. So for accurate results, mesh refinement is required.